Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Gina, G&S Designs and more. It's time to get your wrap on. That's right. Today, we're going to be working on a 2019 Ford Mustang EcoBoost. Stay tuned. There you have it. Alright guys, another thing I just came across is that this little back piece by the license plate, it is actually a 1/4 inch too short. So what I'm going to end up doing is not going to push it all the way to the top. So it's going to be just a little short underneath there. But the good thing is you won't be able to see it anyway. So like right here is an example. So now, so when it comes down, I'm going to be able to tuck it underneath here, which looks a lot better than having it up here and exposing the paint. So Good morning, everybody. This is Gina and Gina's Designs and More. Today, we're gonna finish up these Mustangs over here. There's a blue one right here with my daughter's and my Mustang. But anyways, gotta finish up those stripes, put the white outline on it, and then finish up the front here. Like I said, here's my Mustang and my daughter's. Anyways, so I'm gonna have to pick up a Nissan Sentra Chrome Delete. Customers working about 45 minutes away from here, so we'll drive out there, pick it up, come back, do that, and then I got later the Yeti's gonna come by, and we're gonna put the stickers on the calipers. So got a busy day today, so stay tuned.
Yeah, the guy wasn't letting us turn.
Sorry, I got you on cause it's part of a video I put together for YouTube and shit, so. It's all good. Problem that I had is, yeah, I don't know. I saw, I was like, do you want the license plate back on? Do you not want the license plate back on?
No, you have to be right on it.
I would leave it like this.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.